The unpacking event for the Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting closer, as Samsung has officially revealed when the Galaxy S23 official event will take place. We previously knew the launch will take place in early 2023, and now it's official. According to South Korean media, a Samsung official has recently announced that the unpacking event would take place in the first week of February. The online unpacking events will be replaced with an in-person event. Since the epidemic struck in 2020, Samsung has moved to virtual unpacked events. Since then, we've seen online launch ceremonies for the latest Galaxy S and Z flagship phones. Samsung did perform some in-person experiences with the debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 earlier this year, but it's finally returning to a grown-up event. Perhaps Samsung will have an unpacking event for the S23 Ultra on February 2nd at 10 a.m. The camera is becoming one of the most enticing aspects of a smartphone, and the new 200-megapixel sensor of the Galaxy S23 Ultra demands your attention thanks to the ICE Universe, who compiled this list after evaluating the improvement of this camera sensor. The new 200-megapixel camera retains more natural details and has less picture noise, which is fantastic for low-light photography. The Galaxy S22 Ultra seems to be inferior to the competitors. Samsung will surprise us with the night mode of the S23 Ultra, indicating that night mode photography has been greatly proven. He notes that the standard 12-megapixel mod produces significantly more detailed photographs, and that the color size has been adjusted for the time being. Samsung phones shoot rich and warm-colored shots, which make the images more appealing. However, this is a matter of personal choice. The next 10x telephoto sensor provides crisper shots, which is obviously a fantastic update. Not only will the 10x, but also the 20x, 30x, and even 100x zooms see an improvement. Most significantly, artificial intelligence plays a significant role in enhancing the whole camera experience, as Google has shown with the Pixel 7 Pro. It will enhance the zoom images for fine details and make them seem more natural. Qualcomm has announced that the AI performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 would be 374% better than the previous generation, implying that Samsung is fully exploiting it on the S23 Ultra. According to lister Ronald Kwan, these accessories, as well as various color variants, will be available for the whole Galaxy S23 series. He also said that the Aspen color options conversation is only available for the Ultra model, confirming the color options we will see on the flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra. The S Pen will be available in the following colors: black, green, rose, and beige. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.